Hello YouTube, hello Pyro Nation. Coming in with my 2015 final stash video. Guess I'll start on this side. Got a case of Heat Wave, case of Feud, case of Glory Days, a case of Bearing Sea Blaster, one Pyrotechnic Princess, a case of Night Flight, a big bomb box and including an extra hydrogen bomb, case of Star Chamber, case of the Windshield, two Yikes World Class, case of One Bad Mother, a case of Open Fire, one Fandemonium from Phantom, left over from last year, 205 shot. Case of Geronimo. Case of Wind Up. Two Hit the Road Jacks. Two Gunslingers. A Sexy Rider. A case of the Devil Commander. Case of Fat Lady, case of Boombastic, case of Thunder Canyon, a Pro Copper Dome, that's one of the Pro line, a Noisy Boy World Class, Bounty Hunter, it's Megawatt Zipper Cake, 295 shots. Chopper, two Jailbaits, case of Rocket Science, case of New World Order, two of those. In the front I got four Matrix Pyros, four Captain America, parachutes, two Fear, two Old Ironside, got one down on the board, then that's Knockout Bouquet, one Texas Hold'em, that's a Graveyard Shift, two Big Smoke, it's a Juggernaut, one Real McCoy. Got a case of Shoot the Moon by Winda. Case of Wacky Tobacco. Got a case of Ring Ring. Case of Kickstart. Case of Smackdown. Four Irish Legends. Case of Mason Dixon, six of those. Case of Highfalutin. Here in front I got two Light Brocades. Case of Hustle Bustle. It's a case of Bold Colors. There's two Double Doubles. Two Current Events, case of Peak Performance, case of Grave Diggers. Here I got my Roman Candle Racks. It's a case of Stun Guns by Winda. I think those are 146 shots. Here I got a Poor Man's Rack, and here's all my shells. Got a case of G-Force by Winda. Case of Excaliburs by World Class. Right here, there's a case of Absolute Powers with Tails. Here I got just a assorted case of It's 4 crackling, 4 whistling, and 4 artillery shells. Got 2 American Chiefs. I think it's 12 shells. A case of Burning Rings of Fire by Black Cat. 2 of those is 12. Here I got 4 private stash. 8 of those per box. 2 boxes of Echo in the Ear. Here it's got some miscellaneous shells. Some of them I've already loaded in my racks. I said, and here are all my racks. I'm getting them fused up right now. Altogether, I think there's 280. Here's X-Cal racks. Here's just a couple more poor man's racks I've made with my absolute tubes and my artillery shells. Got 14 of those per board, so it's 28 of those. Here's material fuse tape, Talon clips. Another poor man's rack with some leftover shells from last year. And here just got boxes of 200 grammers. Boxes. Another box. Stuff in it. Here's another box. So alright, pretty soon I'll be doing a setup video. 4th is in a couple of days. And alright.